The concept of the tree network fundamentally transforms our understanding of nature. A forest is not merely a collection of plant species competing for light, but a high-tech biological system where cooperation is more important than competition. At the heart of this structure lies a close partnership between tree roots and fungal threads. These threads are thousands of times thinner than roots, allowing them to penetrate the smallest pores of the soil. They extract minerals and water to pass to the tree, receiving in return carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis. This network connects not only individual trees, but different species into a shared infrastructure, creating an invisible underground city. The oldest and largest trees in the forest act as central hubs. Because their crowns reach direct sunlight, they produce a vast surplus of energy in the form of sugar. Small saplings growing under their dense shade often receive too little light and would perish without support. Old trees literally feed the young through the underground network, sending them vital nutrients. Research shows that they even recognize their own offspring and provide them with greater amounts of resources while making room for their roots to grow strong and protected. The network also serves as a perfect early warning channel. When a tree is attacked by pests, it immediately releases specific chemical signals. These spread lightning fast through the underground threads to neighboring trees, which immediately begin producing protective substances to become inedible to intruders. When a tree is sick or dying, it does not pass away in vain. In the final phases of its life, it transfers its accumulated stores of nitrogen, phosphorus, and energy back into the network. This is an act of total dedication that ensures valuable resources remain within the entire system, aiding the survival of neighbors and the overall stability of the forest. This deep mutual aid is the key to the resilience of forest massifs over millennia. Solidarity here is not a matter of choice, but a fundamental law of nature. This unified functioning allows the forest to regulate its own microclimate, retain soil moisture, and withstand harsh conditions in ways that no single tree could manage alone. The forest functions as a single, thinking organism where every participant is linked to others in an unbreakable chain of life. This process shows that the survival of the individual depends entirely on the well-being of the whole community. Every tree is simultaneously a transmitter and a receiver of support, making the forest the most resilient social network on the planet. Deep within the soil, a constant exchange of information takes place, determining the fate of every leaf. This network is so complex that scientists compare it to the neural connections in the human brain. It carries not only food, but also experience accumulated over centuries. Old trees pass the wisdom of survival to the next generations, preparing them for environmental changes. Thus, the forest remains eternal, constantly renewing itself through sharing and care. Solidarity is the thread that binds every tree in this magnificent superorganism, reminding us that strength always lies in community and mutual care.